Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have 7 colorful of toys really parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toys with my hand. At first is a Spider-Man car here, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here the Spider-Man car. This one is black, red and yellow color combination. And next one is a military tanker here, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this military tanker. This one is yellow and black color combination. This one is a heavy duty power loader, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this loader. This one is red and black color combination. This one is a animal truck here, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this animal truck. This one is paste color, black color and orange color combination. So friends, now I will hand drive this cartoony drum truck, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this cartoony drum truck. This one is pink color, paste color and purple color combination. And next one is a big size starter truck here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this truck. This one is black, yellow and blue color combination. There is the last one is very big size quad race beast bike here, so I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this beast bike. This one is yellow, black and pink color combination. So friends, all of these toy vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. And now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful toys.